How to log into Hilton Employee Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Hilton's Employee Portal. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up a web browser and simply search for Hilton Employee Portal. After you search for that, you'll find this option that says Hilton Lobby. Open that up, and after you open that up, you'll have to type in your user ID. So type in your user ID, whatever it is, and hit enter. After you hit enter, it will prompt you to your Microsoft account. You can tap on use another account, and now simply use your Hilton's employee email address and tap on next. Then again, type in your password, go through the verification, and you're then logged in. And it's that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.